Murphy's Law.
What a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I have not ridden a motorcycle in 3 weeks. I have been spending all my free time designing a rally front for my Honda CRF300L. And this Sunday afternoon I've decided to come and test it off-road. I'm not wearing any protective equipment, and the idea is just to start testing the behavior of the tower. When this happened. After the crash, we helped each other. The fellow rider had a very nasty cut on his hand and went away fast before cooling off or losing more blood. I had a bad right knee that couldn't support my foot on the ground. But it started to get better after a few minutes. When off-road, a small problem can be a big problem. I have always carried the first aid kit on my Honda CRF300L Rally Raid, and since I bought my CRF300L, I haven't, which is a big mistake. So after resting a bit, I tried to make my way to the nearest tarmac road. The bike felt fine despite a smashed exhaust pipe and a hole in the seats. I heard some strange noises when I reached the tarmac, but I couldn't find where they were coming from. And other than the broken windshield that was a loan from my friend João, as I'm still waiting for the final version of mine, the Rally Tower took a nasty hit and didn't have any problems. Impressive. Really impressive. Stay safe on the trails, because a small mistake, a small problem, can be a really big problem. And I think that in the end, we were both very, very lucky.